these to us?
Yeah. Well, you can choose one of these. We have Peace and Justice, Protection, Defense, Element, Nature, and Power and Control. So you pick
And that's
one.
a Sith one, so...
Oh, whatever you want it to be.
Well,
it's just a aesthetic.
Just a hilt.
Yeah.
May I?
Unfortunately, no. Since
Okay, I'm sorry. Can you show them through me again?
Yeah. This is a Power
Peace and
Control.
Justice.
You want Peace and Justice?
Yeah.
Perfect. So you're gonna get a basket with all these parts, and you're gonna build your own hilts.
Okay. How did you?
There you go.
Thank you.
Are you gonna build one?
Oh yeah. We're going Peace and Justice.
Oh, swipe. Okay.
I mean, it's up to you if you guys want to go before us.
Wait, do you have the orange first? One of each. And if I can have your signature at the bottom, please. And this is your receipt. So this ticket will be your card to go inside. Your check-in is at 2:30.
2:30.
Yes. So then this pin, it will go right above your heart, so the scrapper knows where you will be building. And if you have a guest, you can them, please.
Credential, wonderful.
Yeah, there's only 15 stations. It'd be really awesome. Sorry, this is my best.
Everyone's credential, please.
I'm with him.
Everyone's credential, please.
Well, whatever. I can sit right here. Very quick.
Welcome, builders. I want to apologize for the way I acted right now, but with the first order being here, we can never be too sure. We're so glad you're here. Take a look around. I know, it looks like a lot of junk. I know, but believe me when I say to us, this is everything. To my right, I have Dave. To my left, I have Carlos. My name is Marion, and we together humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As gatherers, we travel far and wide throughout the galaxy to forgotten planets, abandoned outposts, and fallen starships. And in our travels, we collect relics and ancient artifacts. And everything that we gather and collect, we bring it back here to the workshop for you. If stormtroopers were to walk through here, they definitely would think this is junk. But to us, this is so much more. And as you can see, we are in troubled times. And I'm sure we've all heard of the legends of Luke Skywalker. Yes? Woo! Now we have a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Ray.
Ray. Yes, Ray, our spark of hope. And just like they've all answered the call, so have you. And that is why you're all here. For that, and you're also here to build this. The lightsaber. Beautiful and enigmatic. Very mysterious. It has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and some of our darkest enemies. They say building a lightsaber is a work of art. And it is the connection between the builder and the Force. And today, you will feel that connection. And it all has a beginning. And it all starts with this. The kyber crystal. The kyber crystal focuses the Force and magnifies it. It is the heart of your lightsaber. The color of your crystal will depict the color of your blade. And in our travels, we have gathered 4 for you to choose from. Beginning with the blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda, Ahsoka Tano, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, Master Mace Windu. Red, the Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But that is stories of our past. Today, we're here for your future. So builders, I will ask that you please close your eyes, and see which color of crystal calls to you. Which color of blade will you will? They say the color of the crystal also chooses the builder. Now builders, open your eyes and choose your crystal.
Beautiful. Do you see your color? Beautiful. Do we have your color? Right here. That's all right.
Alright builders, once you have selected your crystals, please place them in the green holders in front of you. Now, we will move to the next step, which is your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of control. And it is also what houses your crystal and protects your hands from disintegrating. In a moment, we will explore the pieces together. All right? In front of you, you have your chassis, which is what houses your crystal. 1 and 2, you have your spacers and your grips. 3, we have emitters. 4, you have your end caps. 5, you have your activation plates. My fellow gatherers and myself are here to assist you in anything that you may need. Now, builders, are we ready? Yes! All right, let's build.
All right, builders. I'm going to be assisting you right now.
All right.
First things first.
Go ahead and make sure your
Holding our
chassis,
chassis.
make sure your emitters, chassis is the emitter section facing outward. You're going to take your crystal, we're going to place your crystal in the center of your chassis. So make sure that it lights up and that it spins. Alright? Make sure your crystal lights up and that it spins.
It has a spring to it. That is what helps you.
Alright? Good job, good job. Once you have your crystal in place, you're going to move to step number 5, which is your activation plates.
You should hear
Activation plates have red and blue markings on the inside that need to line up with the red and blue markings on your chassis.
paper with fingertips.
Alright?
Can you see?
Alright? Once you have your activation plates in place, you're going to move to step number 1 in your box, which is going to be your spacer. Your spacer has a thick bag that needs placed on the inside of your crystal.
Right.
Number 5.
Go ahead and choose your spacer. Make sure the thick bag is facing towards the inside of your crystal.
Those go directly over those.
Once you have your spacer in place, you're going to go ahead and choose in step number 3, your emitter. Your emitter is with your blade will emit drum. Okay?
So you can choose air matching system.
Once you have your emitter in place, you're going to go ahead and flip your chassis upside down. Now we're going to choose step number 2, which is your grip. The grip is where you will be holding on to your lightsaber. So make sure that you choose one that's going to be comfortable for your head.
So that one's
Go ahead
fine.
and place that with the thick bags facing inward towards your crystal.
There you go.
Alright, good job.
Once you've done that, you can choose one
Now you're moving to step
the
number
4
4,
pieces they have in
which is
here.
your end
Whichever
cap.
piece you like the best, you can
Your end cap is what's going to secure your power cell. Go ahead and place that at the end to make sure it's nice and tight. Alright? By this time, your hilt should be completed. Now you're just going to go ahead and make it all nice and tight and place it in the hilt holder in front of you, and we'll come around and check it.
Yes. I'm strong.
What they need to do is make a coupler for these. They can just take this part off, screw the coupler on, screw another one off. Dual wields.
He suggested.
That was his suggestion.
Which is the justice.
He suggested.
It's a Rancor too.
It's on Earth. Oh, you're all from the other galaxy as well.
Take a shake weight. Lightsaber weight.
Congratulations to Drayden.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Yeah, they are.
Sorry.
Safety reasons. You don't want to
Kind of different. Yeah. I kind of like mine, like something like Obi-Wan and Luke's mine. Like Ben is more like Obi-Wan.
Yeah.
Ron is more like Luke.
Thank you.
Great job, Elder.
You can't get it short out and kill us all.
Hey, you guys help me with that.
This is their need to.
Alright, builders, your hilts all look amazing. Now, we have come to the most dangerous part. So, I will ask that you all take one step back, please. One big step back. As my fellow gatherers will be coming around and placing your hilts into our crystal stabilization chambers. This can only be done by practice hands and years of practice. We don't want any more explosions. Right, Dave?
Years? I only got 2 weeks.
Carlos?
Well, I don't want to say because then they're gonna get all afraid of me. I've been here a little while.
Bubbles? No? Okay, we'll be fine. You'll be fine. Don't worry, we'll be fine. Alright. Alright, builders, now it's time.
With many pups you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Wow, Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time. The Force is strong with you here today. Now, builders, we've come to the final step. Together, we will take a step forward, place your hands on your hilt, and on my mark, we will activate. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Take a step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and on my mark, activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just created a lightsaber, like the Jedi's and the Sith that come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Builders, please deactivate your lightsabers. The bonding is complete.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey you both will begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for joining us here today. You are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you have created. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power, well, should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, our time has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It is time for you to make your marks on the galaxy. And perhaps one day, we'll be telling your story. To the spire!
To the fire! That was awesome.